It's good. It's ultra. Hello. Hey, I got the new Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. Let's talk about it. So, I have here the Apple Watch Ultra 2, the black titanium version. It's not necessarily an update to the other Apple Watch Ultra 2, except that it's got a new color. It's still lacking an oxygen sensor, which the one I'm replacing actually has. By the way, if you're wondering where the cat is, she's right here, hanging out, supervising the microphones. Yeah, so will you hold this for me? So I'm replacing my existing Apple Watch, which is a Series 7 from quite a few years ago, I guess. Not because I wanted to, but because it doesn't hold a charge anymore. So replacing a battery on a watch is just maybe a little too much for me to do. I mean, this one would barely last the day, but I think I can extend its life a little bit by using it to track sleep at night. But I had an upgrade available on my phone plan thing, so I was able to replace this watch with this Apple Watch Ultra 2. And I thought, well, if I have to do this anyway, it's a good time to do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 black titanium, in case you're thinking about getting one and you want to know what it's like. The first thing I noticed is this cool box. It's much bigger than a normal Apple Watch box if you've gotten one before. Normally they're like, you know, yay big and, you know, thin and stuff like that. And this is kind of a hefty beast. So let's unbox it. Let's take a look and see what we get. Yay! All right, let's crack it open. Got these things. I'll have to blur this part. And open these little tab things. Okay, and then, upside down. Let's pretend. All right, and, watch. That's cool. It's pretty. It's like on extreme. Welcome to the ocean. Oh, pretty. There's two. First off, there's this print. It's cool. It's part of the box. Right. Then maybe I should turn this on. Yeah. Then there's this. But if you look, there's two things: watch and band. All right, we'll do the band first. Handy little green arrows. Okay, then you open it and you get some instructions. Get the band itself. You can choose from lots of bands. I went with, I believe it's the Milanese loop, because I like it. And I have a knockoff version, but I wanted the real thing. A little tricky to get this part out. Ooh. All right. Ooh, okay. Ooh. It feels really premium, like maybe too nice for me to own. I'm just kidding. L'Oreal, I'm worth it. L'Oreal? Whatever. Long, long ago. Alright. Stuff. So this is the band. It's encumbered in stuff. Okay. Plastic pieces. This is really nicely done. So, on my current watch, I have what you would call the knockoff Milanese loop. And it's just show you. When you compare them side by side, you'll see there's a pretty big difference in how the links are constructed. So my cheap one that I really do love and I have great affection for, but you can already see some of the spots where it's brighter, where the metal's been crushed. That could still happen with this one. But you see the actual links themselves are a different pattern, different kind of link than these. The Apple ones are kind of pre-flattened. It's a really nice design, actually. Yeah, it's really pretty. I may have to take some separate B-roll so you can see them better, but I'll put that in if I do. So I'm really looking forward to trying this, and it has a really cool clasp. Okay, mine has just sort of a magnet clasp, which I like for how easy it is to use. I don't know how to take this clasp off. Oh, just like that. Okay. Okay. So this is one end. That clasp. Oh, now you can see the difference in the patterns. My connector is just a magnet, right? Oops. Their connector is a hardware connector. I like how easy the magnet is to pop on and off, though. So we'll have to see how this slightly more complicated mechanism fares, because I like how quickly I can adjust the magnet just by sliding it. But I think I might be able to do something similar here. So something I wasn't expecting is how weird it is to position this Milanese loop if you haven't had one before. It's got this buckle situation that you have to slide around to get right. At first I thought there was something wrong with my buckle, but you just have to work with it. It's bizarre. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so those are the straps. Put those aside. This is my original watch right here. Hard to tell, but it's the blue one, believe it or not. I guess maybe it was called black, I don't remember, but it's actually a really dark blue. I think this was actually technically the black colored watch, but like technically it's a dark blue. I don't know if that'll show up. I may have to use this camera to let you see it bester. Well, I'll take another shot of it. I'll take a separate shot. Put that in. All right, back to it. So, original watch. All right. Remember that. We'll open the Ultra. Again, it's another pull. There's a pull tab here. I will pull the tab. Separate the box. Oh, the box is hinged. That is very cool. Normally the box is just separated in two parts. This box actually has a paper hinge. That's super cool. Wow. Wow. Okay, here's the watch itself. I'm going to put it aside for a second. You can see that's the well that the watch was in. It's paperwork. You can kind of see, you know, your Apple stuff. Really premium, though. I think this is my charging cable. It is. It is a braided charging cable. That's really nice. Wow, holy crap. So if you can see, this cable has this braid texture to it. It's not just a dumb cable. It's not just a regular like plastic sleeve cable. It has got the sheath is braided. It's cool. All right, popping this off. Ooh. Popping this off. Ooh, God, I don't want to destroy it. Jeez. All right. Well, I know no one has used it. Okay. There we go. All right. Take some of the light off of it. Take my exposure down a little bit. Yeah, I think you can see it better this way. Yeah, it's very cool. All right, so original watch. Series 7. And the new boy. Ultra. Opening the paper. Oh, she's big. There's the Ultra 2 black titanium. Something else I really like is this new button that I get, this orange assignable action button. I can let it do whatever I want. In my case, I have it programmed to a flashlight. Ooh, scary story time. Ooh. Scary stories, Maybelline. Ooh. You don't care. This one has an extra button on the other side, this orange button. Very cool. Very cool. All right. I'm going to put the band back on my regular and then attach the new band to the Ultra. Regular band. Click. Ultra band. Ultra band. Am I smart enough to do this? Let's see. Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay, so I should pair it and connect it to my phone and all that kind of stuff. So, one sec. And then you just pair it like you would any other Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm super excited to have this watch. I wasn't looking to get one, especially one without the oxygen sensor, which if you're wondering what's going on there, I'm glad that I have a way to track sleep using the old watch. There's lots of other stuff that you can do with it, but this video is mostly about the physical and the unboxing and just kind of what it is. Well, now that I've got it all set up, I am ready to use my new watch. It's good. It's Ultra. It's gonna be hard to check my notifications discreetly.